Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace and blessings be upon you. On behalf of the Black Bear Canadian Immigration Consulting, we extend our heartfelt greetings on the sacred occasion of Hajj. Hajj is a journey of faith, humility, and unity, where millions of believers gather to seek forgiveness, show devotion, and remember the oneness of humanity before our Creator. It is a time to reflect on the values of compassion, equality, and gratitude, the same values we strive to uphold in our work, supporting individuals and families as they build new lives in Canada. To all those undertaking the pilgrimage this year, we pray for your safety, acceptance, and spiritual fulfillment. And to those observing from home, may your prayers be heard and your intentions rewarded. As you remember your loved ones in your du'as, please also remember the Black Bear Canadian Immigration Team, that we may continue to serve with integrity, sincerity, and compassion. Hajj Mubarak from all of us. May this season bring peace, blessings, and renewed faith to your heart and home.